Hello, and welcome to the English Learner's Daily Practice Show, where you don't just listen to English, you speak it. I'm Lena, your English coach and friend, and today is very special. Why? Because today is the first day of your Speaking Confidence Challenge. Yes, this is your moment to speak out loud, build real confidence, and finally feel proud of your English. And we're going to do it together, step by step, word by word. So take a deep breath, smile just a little, and let's begin your journey to more natural, confident English. Opening words of encouragement. Before we start repeating sentences together, let's just talk for a moment. I know that learning English can feel overwhelming. Sometimes you understand, but you don't know what to say. Other times, you do say something, but it doesn't sound the way you imagined. Maybe your voice shakes. Maybe you're scared of making mistakes. Maybe you feel stuck. But here's the truth. If you're here right now, listening to this, you're already doing better than most people who say they want to learn. You're showing up, and that's the hardest part. So from this moment on, I want you to stop being your own critic. From now on, be your own coach, your own best friend, because that voice inside you, it matters. Why shadowing? You might be wondering, why are we doing this thing called shadowing? Shadowing is a powerful way to improve your English. It's simple. You listen to me speak a sentence. You repeat it out loud, just like an echo. You copy my rhythm, pronunciation, and feeling. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting used to using English with your own voice. Imagine this. You're training your mouth, your brain, and your breath to work together. The more you do this, the easier it becomes. And soon, speaking English will feel natural, even fun. How it works. Today, we'll practice 30 powerful, simple sentences. Each one is easy to understand and perfect for beginners or intermediate learners. Here's how it works. I say a sentence slowly and clearly. There will be a pause. That's your turn to repeat. You speak it out loud. Yes, even if you're alone. You can read the subtitles if needed. You can pause, you can replay. Ready to warm up those English muscles? Let's begin. Shadowing session sentences 1 to 10. 1. I am learning English every day. 2. I am proud of myself for trying. 3. Mistakes help me grow. 4. I speak with courage, not fear. 5. My English gets better each time I practice. 6. I enjoy speaking English aloud. 7. I am not afraid to make small mistakes. 8. I understand more than I did before. 9. I am patient with myself. 10. Every word I speak is progress. Amazing! That's 10 already! A gentle reminder. Let's pause here for just a moment. How do you feel? Is your voice getting warmer? Are the sentences starting to feel more comfortable? Remember, you don't have to be fast. You don't have to be perfect. Just be present. Your voice is like a muscle, and every repetition makes it stronger. Now, let's move on to the next 10. Shadowing session sentences 11 to 20. 11. I believe in my ability to improve. 12. I speak slowly and clearly. 13. English is a skill I can learn. 14. I take small steps every day. 15. Speaking aloud builds my confidence. 16. I am becoming more fluent over time. 17. I listen, repeat, and grow. 18. I can say anything I want in English. 19. I don't need to be perfect to be understood. 20. I trust my English journey. Beautiful, you're doing great. A quick energy boost. Let's take a second to breathe and smile. You're not just learning words, you're building a new version of yourself. Confident, expressive, brave. And this version of you deserves to be heard. Let's finish strong. Shadowing session sentences 21 to 30. 21. I improve my English one sentence at a time. 22. Speaking helps me remember more. 23. I can talk about my life in English. 24. Every time I speak, I grow stronger. 25. I show up even when it's hard. 26. I celebrate small wins in my learning. 27. I practice without fear or shame. 28. I am becoming a confident English speaker. 29. I speak with kindness to myself. 30. This is just the beginning of my success. You did it! Final words of motivation. Look at what you've just done. You repeated 30 full sentences in English. You practiced speaking, not in your mind, but with your voice. You've just taken a real brave step in your learning, and you did it with me. I'm proud of you. Maybe your pronunciation wasn't perfect. Maybe you stumbled a bit. But guess what? That's normal. That's beautiful. That means you're learning. You can come back to this episode anytime. Each time you do it, you'll get better. What's next? This is day 1 of your 5-day Speaking Confidence Challenge. If you enjoyed this, come back tomorrow. We'll have a whole new set of sentences, a fresh warm-up, and more encouragement. Just remember this. Consistency is more important than perfection. 5 minutes a day is more powerful than 1 hour once a week. You don't have to study hard, you just have to show up. Outro. Lena, gentle, supportive tone. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this helped you, share it with a friend. Speak together. Encourage each other. Make English fun, not scary. And don't forget to subscribe or follow this podcast so you don't miss the next episodes. Until next time, keep speaking. Keep believing. Keep growing. You are already doing better than you think. See you tomorrow.